Alright, the bridge is missing. We are currently walking up Mont Albert. This is quite dangerous, as you can see. Jesus Christ. So we're nearly at the top. The weather luckily cleared up. It was like really pouring down this morning with rain. And it actually cleared up and the winds disappeared as well. It was quite windy last night. We stayed in the car park in the minivan. We had a really good sleep actually. We went to bed at like 8 p.m. As soon as the sun went down, because there's not much else to do at night time. But this is wonderful. This national park is actually beautiful. By the way, this vacation was well needed. Everybody should take some time off work now and again and just kind of go into the wild and absorb it all as much as possible, and try to reduce technology as much as you can as well. It does make a big difference. It gives you time to think in a conscious state of mind. Also try to implement some meditation as well while you're away. You're gonna come back a lot stronger when you go back into society. It helps, trust me. I'm only on day 4 and I'm already feeling the difference. Other than that, we're nearly at the top, and I will get the drone up on the top, capture some beautiful footage. Improvising like a pro. Chicken, salad, you know, chilling out in the local park, having a cup of tea, enjoying some chicken and vegetables and salad. Hopefully we don't get caught sleeping in the park. Found a special location. What's that you're eating?
Chocolate fondue.
Camping in style, luxury style, melting chocolate and dipping your fancy fruits into this specialised dark chocolate. Nothing better, nothing better. Very fancy there, Madeline.
Yep. Camping with style.
video is one of many. See you soon. Thanks for watching.